s minus t is equal to 3. This is the first equation. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. This is the second equation. Now from first, s is equal to t plus 3. We will take this side. So this is our third equation. Okay. Now put the value of f in second equation. F is t by t plus 3. So t plus 3 divided by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6. So take the LCM. This is 6. Now 2 into t plus 3 plus 3t is equal to 6. Now we will solve it. Now open the bracket. Now this time this is 2t plus 6. 2t plus 3 to the 6 plus 3t divided by 6 equals to 6. Now take the 6 this side. 2t plus 6 plus 3t is equal to 36. So 2t plus 3t is 5t and 6 this side. 5t is equal to 30. So t is equal to 30 divided by 5, that is 6. T is equal to 6. So now put the value of t. Put the value of t in equation 3. Now third equation is s is equal to t plus 3. S is equal to t plus 3. Here t is 6. So 6 plus 3, s is equal to 9. Hence, we find the solution. F is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.